Hello, this is Harry. I'm going to answer the most asked question on Amazon about this commercial shaft microwave. Supposed to be 600 watts, but I'm running a 72 volt solar power system, and my inverter is I don't know what brand it is, but it's a 1500 watt 72 volt inverter. I have a kilovolt meter right here. I got it set on wattage right now. So I'm going to cook my breakfast I have in here. I got me a egg and cheese on wheat toast. I got it on high setting. Put it for 1 minute, a little over a minute. There it's cooking up. My inverter's kicked on. And my wattage is 9990. This watch meter reads 960, 980. And on my inverter, it's upside down. It's 1023, 1018. The microwave has 600 watts of heating power, and it cools quite a bit of voltage. Or a lot of amps, I'm sorry. Later.
Just got the replacement microwave, which is very similar to the one that I used to have, which I got in 2010, almost over 10 years ago. And it lasted and did a great job. It's a really nice compact design, fits in, small spaces, but it still handles large plates, and it can fit a lot of food in there. And basically this model design, which was similar to the last one, even though it had a different brand name, All-Star. Now it has Commercial Chef. It was just slightly different in the design of the number pad from my old one, which you'll see in the picture I posted. But overall, I received this in perfect condition. There is no dents. Some other people said they did. I plugged it in, I set the clock, and it started right away. Did the first batch of food, heated it great, evenly, nicely. It's really nice, clean, white inside. Nice stainless steel black design outside, and I like that it's not stainless on the side because it's easy to clean. It kept really well over the past 10 years. I hope this one's gonna last me just as long. And great microwave compared to all the other ones out there, $200 for under $100. This is great. The one I got almost in 2010 was only probably about $50, and lasting for almost 12 years. It was great.
I mean, it could be quieter, but yeah, it's all right. It does come with like a little plastic peel right here you gotta take off. So just remember that. Other than that, it's been so far okay.
I needed a very small microwave oven, and this Commercial Chef brand is just perfect. I'm going to show you what it looks like in this little appliance garage with my Mr. Coffee next to it. But the dimension is just perfect. The depth of the Commercial Chef microwave is really 12 inches because there's a little tab on the back that is required probably to make sure that there's some ventilation back there. Perhaps I'm sure I can't remove it. So you need to plan on 12 inches for this, but it is absolutely perfect. And the neat thing is you can fit a normal sized dinner plate in it. Probably not an oversized plate, but a regular sized plate fits perfectly. So that's it.
Okay, so this is your basic microwave, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. Oh wait, the light's off. Well, must just be because I have some stupid empty paper plate in here, right? Well, what I'll do is I'll just set it for 5 seconds. And then I'll start cooking it, and the light will come on, right? Wait a minute, it's dark. Well, maybe it'll come back on when I turn it on. Nope, just paper plate.
I have the Commercial Chef microwave. I bought mine on December the 7th, 2021 for $99. I think it's still that price. I really like it. It's large, push button open, has a large glass turntable. I wipe mine down after every use because I don't want moisture building up. I've had microwaves in the past where the moisture starts resting at the back. But this one has the little features here that I rarely use. It doesn't have like the instant buttons where you push like 1, you get 1 minute, 2, you get 2 minutes, you have to set it. So it's like 100 start, which that's okay with me. This is a little, the top part's coming a little bit off, but it still works perfectly. Very happy. Get yourself one if you need a microwave. I recommend it.
This is the part of the product that I don't appreciate. This button right here, it's very flimsy to utilize. It's a very, and then when you see, it's still jiggly, and I don't like that. I just, it's a piece of crap. I should never have paid almost $100 for it. This is more of a $60 microwave with this kind of crap.
Well, first of all, I think that John Kelly is a highly Afghanistan, and I don't believe that he is making things up.
Okay.